How to get Microsoft 365 Email Plus. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can get Microsoft 365 Email Plus. Email Plus is a Microsoft 365 product which is professional email using your domain name. You get 50 GB of storage for email, contacts, and calendar in this product. You can sync it across all devices and share online calendars. Similarly to the Email Essentials plan, the Email Plus plan gives you a professional email address using your domain name. However, instead of 10 GB, you are given 50 GB of email storage. With this plan, you can also get up to 400 email aliases. There are different ways to get this product, one of which is head over to branchleafdigital.com. Here you want to make sure to log into your account, then click on the option of Buy Now. Once you click on the Buy Now option, you will be taken to the cart. Over here you can choose your subscription time. You can choose from 1 month to 36 months. The price will be set according to the months that you select. You can also select the users from here. Now click on the I'm ready to pay option. Once you click on this, if you have not been logged into your account, you will be directed to creating an account. If you have an account, click on the sign in option. Otherwise, you can quickly create an account. Once your account has been created, you will have to add a payment method. Then follow the on-screen prompts in order to purchase this product. Once you have purchased it, you can simply install it and start using Microsoft 365 Email Plus. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.